up. If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore. Enjoying another lovely 80-degree day in October here in North Jersey. Taking a ride today. If you guessed we were going to the Ground Round in Hackensack, you'd be mistaken. Showing my age with that reference. We're gonna go check out Scenic Overlook on 80. It's by Hackettstown. I saw it pop up the end of last week. I was gonna go Saturday, and like everybody went. I mean, everybody. Somebody posted a video there, the place was packed. So I said, I'll go on the weekdays, and it was 80 yesterday, and I ended up getting sucked into Call of Duty with friends. So, we're going today, Tuesday. What the hell? Out here on my trusty Lowrider ST. Waze is driving me nuts. It keeps trying to reroute me back to get on 80 in Richfield Park. We're gonna jump on this is technically what, Teaneck? Looks like the trip is gonna be straight shot up Route 80, so I won't bore you guys with having to sit through a ton of Route 80. I think it's 47 miles straight up from here. Holy crap, a BMW, and they're using their directional. Miracles never cease to amaze me. Here, the allergies are still in effect. October is Take Your Claritin month. Should have kept my mouth shut about the directional. Guys going the speed limit, not a mile over. Karma's a bitch. Oh, looks like they're building some chargers over here at Glen Point for all you electric car lovers. Well, that was a deceptive bump. Yeah, just like I said, it's gonna be a long shot up 80, and I will bring you guys back as I get closer. I dropped a video a couple of videos back going to Storm King Highway. I had some music in that. Don't know if I'm gonna do that or not anymore. I thought it was cool, but didn't seem to be one of my well-received videos. So if you like music in the videos, let me know. I'll drop some in the next one. But catch you guys in a little bit. Look at that, and in just a mere second, you guys all traveled 40-something miles up Route 80. If only only it was like that for me. Surprisingly enough, too, we made it up here and only had one clown come racing up behind me and swerve in front of me. Decided to disconnect. Appreciate that. I believe we're in Allamuchy. Allamuchy? Munchy? See if I get this thing to repair. Soon here. Let me see, I gotta make a left. I was almost contemplating I didn't need this flannel, but as soon as we started going down in elevation, I'm glad I have it on. Yeah, it looks like my exit's right up here. I'm hoping this place isn't packed. If you saw it on Instagram over the weekend, holy crap. It's weird, I've passed this place a million times. Didn't even know it was here until I saw it on the Instagram. Let's go up higher. Or maybe we can see here. I don't know. Get the VIP parking. Be right back. Well, if you made it this far, this is the scenic overlooking Allamuchy, however you say the damn town name. Pretty cool. It's get a better view from up here. Let me take a look at this real quick, see if you guys can see it. Yeah, so you get a better look up here than where I was down below. But definitely worth the trip if you're bored. Good girl. But yeah, it looks like I drop my videos every Sunday around 4 p.m. If you get a chance, definitely check out my Indian Challenger demo ride video. I think it just went over 1,100 views, which I'm happy about. Only my shorts do a lot of views. But appreciate you all for stopping by, watching my videos. I'm gonna go give this some throttle here. But peace.